Hi students, this is a quick rundown on how you can use the email your instructor function in the Sophia assignment palette in order to email your instructor any questions that you may have on a particular question, and then have that question actually go with your email to the instructor and allow the instructor to provide you help with the exact permutation of the question that was giving you some trouble. So you can go ahead and start. We'll just go ahead and click on one of these assignments here. And obviously that's going to open Sophia. Now on Sophia, we have our various help formats, which your instructor can or cannot enable depending on what they choose. So they could give you the ability for a hint, for show me, your turn, and even live help if that's an option at your school. And specifically, we're going to work here on email your instructor. So by clicking on email your instructor, what's going to happen here is this little window is going to pop up, and you can ask your question. And when you hit send, the emails, obviously you're going to get a receipt that the email's been sent, and it's going to go to your instructor, and I'm just going to give you a peek of what your instructor will see. It's going to take a few seconds. Up there's the email. So what's going to happen here is your instructor is going to see your question, and then your instructor is going to get access here to a link. And what that link is, just to give you a quick overview, because every question that you get in Sophia, if you do an assignment 3 different times, you'll get a different permutation of the questions in that assignment each time. So we have to take a snapshot of a question that you're working on, because the next time you come to it in a new version of that assignment, a new attempt at that assignment, it might be different. So what we've got here is this little link, which is a link to a snapshot. So we've got your message, and we've got this little snapshot link here. And let's go ahead and try to navigate to that. Okay. And there you go. That's going to be a snapshot of the question right there. And if we actually, we can jump back over here. You'll see there's the question and there's the snapshot. And the instructor will be able to see your actual question, and then we'll be able to provide you with assistance. So again, all you have to do is hit the email your instructor button, and then you'll just verify that it's your actual Canvas email that it's coming from, the one that you have signed up for with Canvas. Make sure that works. And then it's going to your instructor's email, and just like that, you'll be able to ask your question and have it attached to the Sophia problem that was giving you an issue. Have a great day and a great term at school.